some winter words? What are some winter words?
Frosty.
Yeah.
Elf.
Oh gosh.
Hot chocolate.
Penguin.
Penguin.
Hot chocolate.
Let's do one more.
Santa.
Hot chocolate. Santa.
Frosty.
Elf. Hot chocolate penguin.
Do it backwards.
Penguin. Hot chocolate elf. Frosty Santa.
Frosty Santa. I like that. If you are wearing shoes without laces, you get to go up. If you're wearing laces, you get to go down. Ready, and go.
Santa. Frosty Elf. Hot chocolate penguin.
Let's do it together. Say the poem, and then say our winter words. Say our poem, and say our winter words. And then we'll say the poem again. Ready? Go. The
Winter wind chills my toes, and then there's all this beautiful snow. Nice warm coats, nice warm hats. Let's build a snowman, how about that? Santa, Frosty, Elf, hot chocolate penguin! The winter wind chills my toes, and then there's all this beautiful snow. Nice warm coats, nice warm hats. Let's build a snowman, how about that?
So now we have to do something with the poem, and we have this little Santa thing. I wonder if we could add an ostinato to the poem. We have all those words. We have Santa, we have Frosty, we have Elf, we have hot chocolate, we have penguin. We have some other words. Hanukkah is coming up. All of those things. Snow plow, all kinds of things. I'll say the poem and use some of those words and see if we can find something to accompany the poem. I'll say the poem. You get to choose one of those words or have another word that has to do with the winter. The winter wind chills my toes, and then there's all this beautiful snow. Nice warm coats, nice warm hats. Let's build a snowman, how about that? The winter wind chills my toes, and then there's all this beautiful snow. Nice warm coats, nice warm hats. Let's build a snowman, how about that? Who's got one? Go.
It was really hard to say it continuously, but
That's okay.
mittens.
They're going to do the ostinato.
Oh.
Here we go. Ready? And go. Winter wind chills my toes, and then there's all that beautiful snow.
Nice warm coats, nice warm hats. Let's build a snowman, how about that?
And we have a little coda at the end. Switch jobs. Switch jobs.
Okay.
Here we go.
The winter wind chills my toes, and then there's all this beautiful snow. Nice warm coats, nice warm hats. Let's build a snowman, how about that?
Let's have another ostinato. Who had another idea?
Oh, this guy did.
I like that. Awesome.
I was going, penguins, penguins.
Let's start. Let's add the mittens part.
Mittens, mittens, mittens,
Let's add penguins.
mittens, penguins, 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 penguins.
The winter wind.
Penguins, penguins, all this mittens come. Nice warm coats, nice warm hats. Let's build a snowman, how about that?
So we need an instrument for the penguin part. Penguin.
I'm sure we got something in this.
How are we going to start? Should we start with the poem? Should we start
Not false,
with
now you're dancing
an
over here.
ostinato?
You're dancing.
The sunset.
We should start with that.
We start with the ostinato.
I like that idea.
Starting with the ostinato. We'll start with the bass side of the poem, and then we'll add the egg shakers. And then what are you playing? I know that. What are you what part are you
Gosh,
And what is
Sorry, yeah, thank
is there a penguin? Well, penguins don't. Penguins. Yeah. Like you're skating on this.
I was also doing penguins.
And you can do penguin style. All right. There you have it.
Winter wind chills my toes, and then there's all this beautiful snow. Nice warm coats, nice warm hats. Let's build a snowman. How about that?
Let's have the poem. Have the poem. Do the poem once, and then we'll add all this stuff because you can't hear the words. The emotions are fabulous. Say the poem. Say the poem, and then say the poem with the ostinato, and then just do the motion without the words. So it'll be 3 times. First time Acapulco. Second time accompanied, and third time just the ostinato.
The winter wind chills my toes, and then there's all this beautiful snow. Nice warm coats, nice warm hats. Let's build a snowman. How about that? The winter wind chills my toes, and then